Artificial intelligence, AI, is an amazing technology that is changing the world. It helps us in our daily lives and is transforming many industries. Within AI, there are incredible inventions that push the limits of what we thought was possible. These inventions are fascinating and show us the incredible potential of AI. So today, we will explore the coolest AI inventions that you have to see. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of AI innovation. 10. Sidekick AI. Experience a revolutionized approach to navigating your daily tasks with the ultimate companion in the digital realm, the intelligent virtual assistant, Sidekick AI. This virtual assistant is designed to anticipate your needs and serve as a trusted ally in every aspect of your life. With Sidekick AI by your side, you'll have access to a 24/7 personal assistant capable of managing your schedule, answering your questions, offering recommendations, and even engaging in meaningful conversations. Leveraging advanced machine learning and natural language processing, Sidekick AI is equipped to understand your preferences and deliver personalized results. Whether you're a busy professional seeking greater productivity or simply someone who craves a seamless digital experience, Sidekick AI is the answer to your needs. Say goodbye to endless searches and hello to a streamlined, efficient approach to your daily tasks. With Sidekick AI as your companion, you'll be one step ahead of the game. 9. Scout Camera Mobile Robot. The Scout Camera Mobile Robot is a cutting-edge invention that merges a high-definition camera with the maneuverability of a mobile robot, taking security and convenience to a whole new level. The Scout Camera Mobile Robot is equipped with advanced AI technology, allowing it to identify and track intruders, send real-time alerts to your phone, and even establish two-way communication through its built-in speaker and microphone. Whether you're at work, running errands, or relaxing at home, you can easily monitor your surroundings and remain vigilant. But the benefits of the Scout Camera Mobile Robot do not stop there. It offers autonomous patrolling, going beyond traditional security systems. It features an intelligent navigation system and obstacle avoidance capabilities, enabling it to move around your home with ease and ensuring that every corner is under surveillance. With the Scout Camera Mobile Robot, you can rest easy, knowing that your loved ones and valuables are secure. Embrace the future of home security and surveillance with the Moreboat Scout Camera Mobile Robot. 8. EBOX. Imagine this. During our lifetime, we spend an astonishing 26 years sleeping and dedicate an additional 30 years to work. This leaves us with only a limited 1 to 2 hours each day to truly connect with our loved ones and beloved pets if we're lucky enough. It's during these precious moments that concerns about their well-being and safety can arise, especially when we are unable to be present to oversee everything. EBOX was specifically developed to address these concerns, not just for others but also for ourselves. Powered by its advanced X3M chip, meticulously trained with vast amounts of data, and supported by a dual-core BPU, EBOX stands out as the most intelligent home bot available. Safety is of utmost importance to EBOX, as evidenced by its array of built-in sensors designed to prevent collisions and falls. When its battery level becomes low, EBOX autonomously returns to its charging dock to recharge. EBOX even acts as a guardian, safeguarding restricted or private areas and instantly notifying you through the EBO Home app if there is any unauthorized entry detected. 7. Smart Desk. Step into the future of work with the groundbreaking Smart Desk. Bid farewell to ordinary desks and embrace a whole new level of productivity and convenience. This state-of-the-art workstation is not your typical workspace. It's a sleek and intelligent piece of furniture designed to enhance your work experience. Equipped with built-in smart technology, the Smart Desk functions as your personal assistant, adapting to your needs effortlessly. Seamlessly integrating with your devices, it enables you to control various aspects such as height adjustment and ambient lighting with a few simple taps on your smartphone or through voice commands. Need to charge your devices? No worries. The Smart Desk comes with wireless charging capabilities, ensuring your devices are always powered up and ready to go. But that's not all. The Smart Desk goes above and beyond. It features sensors that monitor your posture and prompt you to take breaks, prioritizing your well-being throughout the day. Furthermore, it tracks your productivity and provides valuable analytics to help you optimize your work habits, leading to even greater efficiency and effectiveness. 6. Square off Grand Kingdom Set. Immerse yourself in the unparalleled artistry of a masterfully crafted wooden chessboard, accompanied by exquisitely designed chess pieces. This extraordinary board transcends the traditional game, incorporating state-of-the-art technology such as automated movements, advanced robotics, and artificial intelligence. Each move becomes a masterpiece as this majestic chess set captivates both attention and admiration. The intelligent AI integrated into this luxurious board swiftly adapts to your skill level, guaranteeing a personalized and challenging experience. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned player, the AI ensures that every game is tailored to your abilities, making each encounter engaging and exciting. 5. Unit. Introducing Unit, the ultimate modular robot arm that seamlessly integrates advanced technologies including AI, 3D printing, laser technology, and robotics. With Unit's AI camera module, experience real-time image and voice recognition capabilities that open up a world of possibilities. Choose from pre-trained AI models or unleash your creativity by creating your own. Explore the realm of 3D printing with HUENIT's auto-leveling feature and a 40W heater, ensuring optimal printing conditions for your creations. HUENIT is equipped with a built-in vacuum pump and servo motor, providing reliable suction and rotation capabilities. Embrace versatility with the option for auto tool change, allowing for seamless transitions between different modules and functionalities. Controlling Unit is a breeze with the user-friendly software and touch display, putting you in command of your projects with ease. Stay connected through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, enabling EOD functionality and expanding the potential of your creations. 4. Hyper Elite Pro. Bid farewell to the frustrations of tangled cords with the extraordinary Elite Pro cordless cleaner. This innovative device not only liberates you from the annoyance of untangling cords, but also enhances the safety of your pool. With a simple switch activation, you can effortlessly click and embark on your cleaning journey, leaving your pool impeccably clean and pristine. The multiple systems of the Elite Pro work seamlessly in tandem, effectively sorting and collecting even the most minuscule particles, ensuring elite levels of cleanliness that surpass expectations. The Elite Pro is thoughtfully designed to deliver exceptional battery performance. With a rapid charge time of just 2 hours, this powerhouse is always ready to tackle your pool without delay. Moreover, it provides an ample 2 hours of cleaning power, effortlessly covering pools of up to 1300s. /1202, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning session that leaves no corner untouched. 3. Langogo Genesis. Embark on a new era of translation with the upgraded Genesis, immersing yourself in a world of enhanced linguistic capabilities. Powered by advanced neural machine translation (NMT) technology, this remarkable device presents an extensive two-way translation database encompassing an impressive 104 languages, including even the lesser-known ones. Now, with the integration of streaming technology, Genesis provides faster and more efficient results, offering us a refreshed outlook on the global landscape. Genesis showcases a sleek design characterized by elegant curves and clean lines, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic grip. The 3.1-inch floating touchscreen provides captivating visuals and boasts high-definition display quality, enhancing the overall user interface. Equipped with a powerful 2,200 mAh battery, Genesis exhibits exceptional endurance, enabling up to 6 hours of continuous use. Furthermore, it fully charges in a mere 2.5 hours, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum convenience. 2. Pudu BellaBot. BellaBot is a revolutionary food delivery solution that sets a new standard for excellence with its cutting-edge bionic design, charming aesthetics, and advanced functionalities. BellaBot's dimensions of 565mm by 537mm by 1,290mm and a weight of 55 kilograms showcase its sturdy construction using premium materials like ABS and aviation-grade aluminum alloy, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Its exceptional multimodal interaction capabilities and unique features make it stand out from the competition. With a user-friendly 10.1-inch touch display, BellaBot offers intuitive control and effortless navigation, putting you in command. The replaceable battery guarantees extended performance, providing an impressive 12 to 24 hours of battery life. With a maximum load capacity of 40 kilograms, 10 kilograms per tray, BellaBot effortlessly transports your orders with efficiency and precision. 1. Little Sophia. The newest member of the Hanson Robotics family, Little Sophia, is the adorable little sister of Sophia. Standing at a compact 14 tall, Little Sophia is the ultimate robot companion designed for children aged 8 years and older, offering an exhilarating journey of STEM learning, coding, and AI exploration. Little Sophia transcends the realm of ordinary toys, as she possesses the ability to walk, talk, sing, play games, and even crack jokes, just like her esteemed big sister. As an interactive and programmable educational companion, she ignites a passion for coding, AI, science, technology, engineering, and math among children through a safe and engaging human-robot experience. What truly sets Little Sophia apart is her exceptional craftsmanship. Developed by the same team of renowned developers, engineers, roboticists, and AI scientists behind the creation of Sophia the robot, Little Sophia guarantees an authentic and top-quality learning encounter. Prepare to embark on an educational adventure like no other with Little Sophia, as she introduces you to the captivating wonders of technology and robotics delightfully and interactively. Alright guys, that wraps up our video for today. Let us know your thoughts on these inventions in the comment section below. Also, do well to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.